Friends, welcome back to geography class. Today I am going to share a very important topic from your topo sheet with some new information. Before going to the point, I just want to make you recall your memories. I given one homework about conventional signs and symbols. I hope all of you have done. In this video, we can complete the contours, triangulate height, spot height and benchmark. Let us start with the contour lines. First we have to know what is contour lines. Contour lines are the imaginary lines connecting points of same height above mean sea level. Using contour is the most common method of showing relief features on topo sheets such as gentle and steep slope, conical hill, plateau, ridge, saddle and cliff. You can see many brown lines connected together which form circle. This line showing the relief features. Now, you want to know what is contour interval. It is the vertical distance between two contours lines. Our topographical map, it is given in 20 meters. This means that it is the distance between two brown lines is 20 meter. Now, I will explain to you how we want to find a conical hill. Here, I think you can see that brown color lines, these all brown color lines are showing contour lines. Here I am going to show a conical hill. Conical hill. It is very simple to find. It rises almost uniformly same from the surrounding land. Conical hill, it is very simple to find. It is rises almost uniformly from the surrounding land. Now I can show the conical hill. See, tell what is conical hill once again. A conical hill, it rises almost uniformly from the surrounding land. See here, all the circles are uniform distance 100, 200, 300, 400. Here you can see uniform height. This is a conical hill. I think you understood. Now on the topo sheet. On the topo sheet you can see conical hill. Conical hill. This is conical hill. Okay. Uniform height. You can see the uniform height. Now we can see the same type of the contour lines. We can find the slope of landform. There are two types of slopes. Gentle slope and steep slope. Gentle slope and steep slopes. In this figure, you can see these right hand side contour lines are situated nearby, and left side you can see it is placed far away from each other. The right hand side you can see steep slope. Steep slope. And the left hand side you can see gentle slope. If the distance between two contour lines less than, we have the steep slopes. If the distance between two contour line is more than, then we have a gentle slope. This is basically a gentle slope, this side. And this is basically a steep slope. Now we can find out the ridge. Ridge is a long, narrow chain of hills. See, on your here showing contour lines. Yes, this is gentle slope, and here we can see the steep slopes, very close, not that much a distance. Okay, I think you understood. We can move back. Now we can study about the ridge. A ridge is a long, narrow chain of hills that has steep slopes on either side and stands out from the surrounding lowlands. A ridge is a long, narrow chain of hills that has steep slopes on either side and stands out from the surrounding lowlands. It may also be called a watershed, as it is divided two water bodies. Here I can show you. This is basically a ridge. I think everybody understood. Okay. See here, contour lines. Maybe gentle slope or steep slopes. Two ranges of hills were there. Yes. Okay. The really is a ridge. You can see the ridge this way. The real land feature, that is the ridge. Okay. Now we can see on the topo sheet ridge. Then it is easy to understand, That is why I am showing ridge on the topo sheet. This two hills were there, and near also that both are ridge. Okay, everybody clear? Now I can show you a sardine, or it is also known as escarpment. It is a shallow depression at a high elevation between two peaks or ridges. Maybe downside you can see the gentle slope, and top you can see the steep slopes. Okay, it is a sardine. Okay, this divided two water bodies. Okay, now we can see the plateau. It is already you study the previous class. How you can find a plateau? This is the plateau with a flat top. Always have a flat top with a gentle or steep slope. Okay, a plateau or a tableland is an uplifted piece of flat land. Okay, with the slopes on maybe gentle or steep. On a contour map, plateaus are marked by contour lines very close to each other on all sides, while there are none of very few lines at the center. Okay, I think everybody understood. This is the plateau. Okay. Now we can move the cliff. Okay, maybe first time you are hearing the word cliff. Cliff is a vertical or near vertical land feature. The landform rises vertically from the lower ground. On a contour map, the contour lines are very close together or merge into single line. In other words, contour lines overlap. This indicates a cliff. Okay, I think you understood the cliff. One side you can see the sea. See here, sea, and other side steep slope, rocky region or landform. Okay, it is known as a cliff. It is a very steep rock or hill overlooking the sea. Okay, I think you understood. It is vertical or near vertical land feature. It is vertical or near vertical land feature. I think everybody understood the cliff. Okay. Now we can move here. The triangulated height, the other conventional sign. The other conventional sign. Triangulated height of a place fixed using the triangle shape, and it is shown with a triangle on the map with a number beside it. That land triangular in shape, and beside the small triangle shape we can see the number. Okay, triangulate height. I think everybody understood the triangulate height. Now we can move to the spot height. See the spot height symbol. Okay, here you can see the spot height. See one dot with the number, a dot with a number beside it. It is denoting the height of the point above mean sea level in meters. A dot with a number beside it denoting the height of the point above mean sea level in meters. I think everybody understood. Okay, now we can move the next conventional symbol, benchmark, BM. On your conventional signs and symbols topo sheet you can see BM. BM means benchmark. You can see the benchmark. The benchmarks are the permanent survey point which indicate the height of that point above sea level through accurate survey. Through accurate survey. I think everybody understood the benchmark. Benchmark usually giving, they are the permanent survey point. It is given by the government which indicate the height of that point above sea level through accurate survey. Okay, I think everybody understood. Now I think everybody, these all points you understood. I already taught you. Okay, in this section what you learn? That contour lines, gentle slope, steep slope, conical hill, plateau, ridge, saddle and cliff. Now what is your homework? You want to draw this whole diagram. You just try to draw, okay? Try to draw conical hill, steep and gentle slope, plateau, ridge, saddle and cliff. I know you all are very good students. Okay. With this, I conclude. Thank you.